I'm a business graduate from Zavist, and Hi-Fi I joined it's been about a year, almost a year since I joined Hi-Fi. And initially मैं यहाँ पर आया था as a trainee, and eventually in a couple of months I moved to CRM. I started looking after engagement all over Hi-Fi, and that's when Mergin. I was introduced to Mergin and how they were using that platform to retain customers and increase their retention rates and overall engagement at Hi-Fi, how they were doing all of that. Like any other platform, I would never say that Mergin is just an engagement platform for me. This was something more I'll be very honest, just तरह से how I've seen Hi-Fi grow after the introduction of Mergin to Hi-Fi, and like the way I've seen how customer retention rate has improved and how we've been able to increase the overall sales here at Hi-Fi. Being very honest, before I joined Hi-Fi, I was mainly looking for कि I'll be a designer. Once I graduate and like somewhere around media की तरफ मेरा जाने का plan था. But eventually when I started working and all, जब corporate world के अंदर when I stepped in and all, so वहाँ पर आके my plans they shifted. So initially this was कि अच्छा ठीक है, I see myself managing a team of designers or something like that. But when I started here at Hi-Fi and I saw how they're targeting customers and उनके behaviors को समझना, and फिर उसके according the way they strategize things, फिर I found this field to be more, this was something which was very interesting for me. And that's when I decided that I don't want to continue working in the media side of things, and I wanted to make that shift at that time. And so that's when I shifted towards CRM and performance marketing and this data side overall. So Mergin to me was, I won't say that Mergin itself was just a tool that we used to send SMS or emails to customers. This was something more. So the way I've seen Hi-Fi grow in the last 1 year, how our engagement rates have improved, how our overall cohorts have improved, and एक तरह से उस कस्टमर को किस तरह से हम we first understand कि अच्छा ये कस्टमर exactly है कौन, and then we start targeting that customer through different strategies, and that overall has improved the overall growth that I've seen at Hi-Fi. That has been amazing. Being very honest, I had zero knowledge. CRM क्या होता है, performance marketing क्या होती है, like data itself ये क्या होता है, किस तरह से आप customers के behavior को समझते हैं, किस तरह से आप उनको target करते हैं. All of this was very new to me. Like I had zero experience in this field overall. So when I was given the access to that platform, and Hansla was just like just take a day and study किस platform में हो क्या रहा है, software में हो क्या रहा है, and you can just go through and experiment with stuff, working with the platform and creating segments के how exactly do I want to see this data. And I basically what I was using that platform at that time was just to understand customers कि हमारे customers exactly हैं कौन, and like what are their purchase behaviors. So initial stage पे I started from that कि थोड़ा सा मुझे idea हो जाए कि हमारे customers कौन हैं and how we are able to target them, and फिर उस हिसाब से I started slowly learning the platform. The overall user experience was I would say it was really nice because the overall platform, it's very user friendly. So like मुझे, for someone being who had zero knowledge about what CRM is, what these retargeting tools are, and this was the first time I was using a platform like this, and it took me about less than 2 weeks to just understand the overall platform. So in the initial weeks when we were talking to Numan bhai about the platform itself, एक random बस हमें एक thought आया कि through this platform we're targeting our customers based on the number of days they've engaged with us. So how about if we could target our customers based on what product they've viewed, what product they've add to cart. So it basically whatever interactions they're doing on their website, because this development was still in process us time per. So Hansla and I, we were like it would be great if we had this feature as well here at Hi-Fi. We can target customers based on what products they've interacted with, what products they've purchased in the last, let's say, 15 days or 30 days. Those were something which was really which intrigued me a lot, and I was like, okay, आप इस depth पे, इस level पे जाके आप एक customer को retarget कर सकते हो. So that was something which was very interesting for me. Obviously there are other platforms available as well, but one thing जो हमें सबसे ज़्यादा which was standing out with Mergent was number one factor जो उनका था, that was it was a local based company. So we always had that support from the Mergent team and Numan bhai himself they used to help us out कि okay, this is how you can retarget customers and this is how you can devise strategies, and इस ये आप काम करोगे तो इससे आपकी ये XYZ growth होगी. So those strategies themselves, they were really helpful for us. And I feel कि अगर if it was not for Mergent, we would have settled for other platforms, but I don't think कि हमें वो same growth achieve हो रही होती with those platforms. So the team itself, even though Mergent, their overall team is they have a very small team, but जिस तरह से वो respond करते थे, and जिस तरह से मेरी queries address हो रही होती थी throughout the day, वो सुबह हो या रात में भी अगर मैं उनको कोई text कर रहा होता था Mergent के किसी भी team member को, so within 15-30 minutes मुझे उस query का कोई resolution मुझे मिल जाता था. It can be anything, if I want a certain feature, मैं बैठा हूँ और मेरे दिमाग में बस एक ख्याल आया कि ये फीचर भी होना चाहिए Mergent के ऊपर, एंड हम बैठ के नुमान भाई और उनकी टीम के साथ we're discussing and all, and they're like okay, give us 1 or 2 days at max and आपका ये फीचर बिल्ड हो जाएगा. So I feel कि the overall team, their responsiveness and their dedication to the platform itself, that was amazing. So एक journey जो हमारी थी, that was basically where we were targeting customers who purchased from Hi-Fi, but फिर वो let's say वो 30 days के बाद purchase ही कर रहे हैं, 60 days के बाद purchase ही कर रहे हैं. So ये जो एक overall journey थी ना, where कि आपके एक customer है, उस customer ने आपसे purchase किया है एंड उसके बाद वो वापस नहीं आ रहा फॉर लेट्स से 15 days, 30 days, 60 days. अब उस जर्नी के अंदर इटसेल्फ आपका काम क्या है कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये इस कस्टमर का ऐसा एग्जैक्टली क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और यहाँ पर इसको क्या इशू फेस हुआ है दैट ही इज़ नॉट परचेजिंग अगेन. इज इट द प्रोडक्ट दैट ही हैज़ परचेज के बिकॉज ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स यूजली आपको पता है कि 15 days 30 days के अंदर वो ख़त्म हो जाते हैं एंड यू वुड नीड टू स्टॉक अप अगेन. बट दिस कस्टमर हु हैज़ परचेज फ्रॉम अस इज़ नॉट रिटर्निंग बैक टू अस. तो इसकी एग्जैक्टली क्या वजह है एंड फिर उसकी आप एक पूरी एक स्ट्रैटेजी आप बनाते हो कि हाउ टू टारगेट. डू यू वांट टू टारगेट हिम थ्रू पुश नोटिफिकेशन, डू यू वांट टू टारगेट हिम थ्रू SMS, डू यू वांट टू टारगेट हिम टू emails. So that was something which was really interesting for me, and that is also something which is basically the key. अगर आपको बिजनेस को अपना ग्रो करना है तो आपकी पूरी कोशिश होती है कि once someone has purchased something from you, you do not want that person to leave that company. When it comes to customer retention, how I've seen, जब मैं आया था here at Hi-Fi, the customer retention rate was about let's say 35%, and वो जिस तरह से it drastically increased to about more than 50% in less than a year's time. So that was something which was very inspiring एक तरह से कि how just by retaining customers आपका business इस तरह से grow कर जाता है. So that was something which was really fascinating for me. whenever we used to have meeting with Numan bhai over the weekend, उसमें usually होता ये था कि like there were ideas from our end, from my side, from Hanzula's side, and there were ideas from Numan bhai himself. कि okay, this is what you guys as an e-commerce brand can do, and like when you know we used to put those ideas together and here we used to formulate कि okay, this is a feature which currently is not available on the platform, but eventually होगा ये कि within like a couple of days this is something which we can build for you guys, and you guys can start targeting customers on this through this process as well. That is something which I don't think like any other platform can compete with, because you know usually these other platforms ये इतनी easily integrations वगैरह ये करते भी नहीं है. So even like if I go to these other platforms to you know that we want to build this feature, usually जो मुझे response मिल रहा होता था that was कि नहीं, it won't be possible and all, which was very disheartening for me, to be very honest. So usually होता यही था कि like we used to make some of our campaigns live at like रात 12 बजे हम live कर रहे होते थे campaigns, and there have been times you know जब थोड़ा सा मैं issue उसमें हो रहा होता था कि I've made a campaign live and उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा कोई glitch आ गया या campaign has stopped running you know for a certain reason, and like even उस time पे भी अगर मैं group पर किसी mergent के team member को अगर मैं message कर रहा होता था, so like within 5 minutes मुझे उनका response आता था कि just give us 5 minutes, we'll check this feature for you, and फिर उसके बाद वो अपना error देख रहे होते थे and उसको उसी वक्त resolve कर रहे होते थे. So that is something like for if I was working with another brand and अगर इस तरह से क्या कहते हैं कोई issue आए, I don't think that their team would be readily available for it. I would recommend merging to businesses जिनके कोई बहुत ज़्यादा you know high value products ना हो. So let's say like for someone जिसका एक laptops बेचने का business है, या for someone जिसका you know something which you know कि the customer itself would want to purchase, let's say once in 6 months or something which they know कि अच्छा इन्होंने अभी purchase कर लिया है, and let's say अगर गाड़ी मुझे purchase करनी है, it's not something जो मैं हर साल में change कर रहा हूँ या हर महीने में change कर रहा हूँ. For food businesses it makes complete sense, for clothing businesses it makes complete sense, because you know these are running businesses जहाँ customer would want to you know purchase, has the capacity, उसकी एक need भी है, and like आपको पता है कि on a daily basis food panda पे आप लोग order place कर रहे होते हैं let's say, या अगर आप किसी clothing store के ऊपर आप multiple times आप in a month आप purchase कर रहे होते हो for yourself, for gifting. So like e-commerce stores इस तरह के आपके हो गए, जैसे beauty brands हो गए आपके, clothing brands हो गए, food businesses हो गए. These are something which I would definitely recommend Mergent, that they use Mergent, because this is something which is very much relevant to their business needs. There are two things when it comes to business growth. आपकी एक तो acquisition हो गई customers की, introducing your brand to your business, introducing your brand to different people, वो आपकी एक तरह से acquisition होगी. That's one way to look at it. But the another aspect जब आप उसको इस तरह से भी आप देख सकते हो कि once that person has purchased from you, you do not want that customer you know eventually goes to another brand or another platform for the same thing. So like you would want कि once you've acquired इतना पैसा लगा के जब एक customer को acquire किया है through Meta and all, you would want कि now you use CRM and retargeting tools to you know retain that customer. You would want कि ये customer से जब एक बार हमसे purchase किया तो ये 2 बार हमसे purchase करे, ये हमसे 3 बार purchase करे. All the way जितना ज़्यादा आप उस customer को you know you can make it a habit for them to you know get used to your platform and all. The one thing that I've observed over the past 1 year was how our number of orders, they just grew by like 10 times. So where we started initially and where we're standing right now, बहुत एक massive difference in उसमें. So उसके अंदर एक चीज़ और ये होती थी कि like how we used to send out campaigns to on mass levels to all of our customers, and फिर there were certain campaigns which we used to you know send out to very targeted customers कि okay, this customer purchased this product, and we used to know कि okay सही है, ये जो product है ये आपका let's say this, if this person has purchased an XYZ beauty product, and we knew कि अच्छा this product is something which we're launching at Hi-Fi, and we know कि okay this is something which would attract the customer as well. So eventually होता ये था, what I've noticed, what I've observed is हमें उन targeted campaigns के ऊपर we used to get a like 3 times better response than what we used to like send out to all of our customers here at Hi-Fi. So that was another thing. Lastly, what we've seen, how our customer retention for customers who haven't purchased from us within the last month, within the last 30 days, that grew by like 200%. So overall growth, that was just तरह से I've seen the graph going up whenever I used to launch a campaign and all. So that was really amazing. Obviously when I talk about the unique selling points and all, इसके अंदर the number one factor would be the team overall is local, and वो जिस तरह से हमें they're readily available whenever we need them. When I compare it to other platforms and all, so that is one thing. Number two, the overall friendliness of the product, how user friendly the overall platform is. For even like for someone जिसको as such कोई इतना ज़्यादा experience नहीं है, for someone like me who has just been introduced to the platform, it took me about like what 2 हफ्ते लगे, 3 हफ्ते लगे at max to understand, and पूरा फिर उसके बाद I was looking after that. So the overall जिस तरह से the user friendly the platform overall is, I feel that these two are the main unique selling points of the platform. So how I've seen Mergent work with different brands, not just Hi-Fi but with other brands as well, and just तरह से I've seen them scaling those brands and all. I feel you guys are doing an amazing job.